when we first adopted Henry. We didn't know he was deaf. He was put up for adoption when he was about just a couple months old because he had ear infections. We noticed he just wasn't listening and he would speak more easily. He just sees us as if we come out of nowhere, he is thinking that we're going to attack him. But then when he realizes it's us, he's like, all right, okay. We just have to be extra careful just walking by him. Henry lived beside the guinea pigs and he loves them. He just thinks he's a big guinea pig. All he ever knew was guinea pigs. And then living so close to them, I think he just thought he was one of them. The only thing is he gets too excited around them. And I would be scared in case he would hit them with his big feet. So he only comes up and visits them sometimes. Henry is so used to being pampered. He's just my baby. We have also a blind dog, Tommy. He likes to get really, really excited and do lots of spins on the floor. We call him tornadoes. He's still not sure what Henry is, but Henry isn't bothered by him at all. He'll sometimes hear Henry like scratching or hopping about, and he'll just go over and try to see what's going on. Because Tommy's blind, if he was to run after Henry, Henry would have a fair chance. He's just very curious. I think eventually they'll be like more comfortable around each other. People see guinea pigs and rabbits as easy pets, but people didn't understand how much care they actually need. And as a result, adoption centres are packed with guinea pigs and rabbits that have just been given up. So I would rather save them and give them a forever home.